Hello. So now you're ready to research. Now what do? Well, we want to narrow your research search down just because there's so much out there and we have what we need right at our fingertips. So what I want to do is I want to go into ClassLink and show you where to go when you're looking for information. If you look at this, we're looking first of all at Destiny Discover. Let's go there first. And of course, you've got to put in keywords to narrow your search down. In Destiny Discover, first of all, go to the top left corner, click on the hamburger, and it's going to give you a collection of things. Okay, so you're going to put in keywords to narrow your search. And maybe I'll say something like landforms of the Midwestern region of the United States. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. That's the thing with researching, it may just take you to many millions of places. So you've got to learn to narrow in on your search, and that's going to be something that's going to take skill and patience, and you'll get better at it as you go. So if you look here, we have the Midwestern region of the United States. You can go there. There's a couple of books and things that you can go ahead, and the natural environment of the Midwestern, the people of Midwestern United States. So that's a great place to start off with, okay, if you want to do that. Let me give you some other pointers, some other places to go. If you look at, again, ClassLink and you go to library database, here we have quite a few areas to look at. You can look at Britannica schools. And let's go ahead and look at elementary. And again, you're going to type in keywords. Let's say bodies of water in southwest region of the United States. I'm going to say bodies of water in southwest region of the United States. Let's just see what it comes up with. Okay, so that's not much. It doesn't give me much there, and it may not. So that's the thing. That's what research is all about. You may get to places where it doesn't have very much on what you're really looking for. So research is basically just looking. You're looking for things that you're really wanting to talk about and you're really wanting to learn more about. But you've got to keep it narrowed down, because if you look at this one here, this here starts to give you videos on things, but you got to make sure that if you're looking in that area that you're talking about what you're looking at, what you're wanting to find. Are they definitely bodies of water in Midwestern United States? I might go to magazines, or in Southwest United States. I might go to magazines. And then again, all you're doing is looking to see what they have here. They may or may not have something here, and you need to know when to go on with your search. Maybe narrowing the search down. Southwestern United States, maybe I'll look at the Gulf of Mexico. Okay. So we're looking here. Let's see if they have anything here. Let's see. I'm going to look at magazines. And I'm not seeing anything right offhand. Gulf of Mexico, 3 years after a hurricane was there. Obviously, sunshine helped Gulf oil linger. So what am I looking for? Gulf of Mexico after a spill. What did that say? World's first known. Okay, so it's not taking me anywhere. Let's look at articles really quick. And it does have something on the Gulf of Mexico that I might want to look at for information. So I'll click on there, and it does. It gives me a little bit of information on there. So I may or may not want to use that. Okay, so moving on, if I look at TechQuest, that's another search engine you can find. I'm going to look at National Geographic Kids. That seems user-friendly enough. I might want to go to, again, it has got to be narrowed in so they'll know exactly what you're talking about. If I'm thinking about plants, let's go ahead and look at a plant that they may specifically have something about. I'm going to look at cactuses so I can be specific about it. And again, look how it's leading me to animals that I might want to veer my mind off of plants and go on to animals, but let's not do that. Let's go ahead and try very hard to stay on where we want to stay. On this one here, we might want to say, okay, I want southwestern United States, plant life. Let's see here. And we're looking at books, magazines, wildflowers. It may have lots of wildflower information. Southwestern United States are known for its wildflowers. What this is very cool about is it actually lets you listen to some of the articles. You can go to whatever page, and if you go to the beginning of the magazine, it'll have a table of contents for you to look at. To see if you want to visit any of these places or these articles. So that's a great place to go. Also, we have Proquest Discover. That's another wonderful place to go. And again, you've got to be very specific as far as what you're looking for. So let's go ahead maybe and put down glaciers. Come on. It's going to let me. And it'll bring up some glaciers that it may have here. Let's see. Come on. It's spelled correctly. Maybe not. Okay. Make sure your spelling is correct. And then you can talk about the glaciers if that's what you're doing. If your part of the region is Alaska, things like that. I've been there, actually. It's an awesome, awesome place to go. So there you go. There's a couple of places there that you can go. If you just, again, right in your ClassLink area, okay? So that's wonderful. Another place that you might want to go is ReadWorks. We looked at readworks.org the other day, but it really does have some great information. If you go to find content and you go to, let's pick a region that we haven't looked at, southeastern United States, and it'll come up with many, many things here on the southeastern part of the United States. Just a couple of ideas on how to research this week. As we start to get our feet wet and learning a little bit about our region. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.